Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the language in your Honda Fit Shuttle. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked, with the engine running or the ignition in the on position. This ensures you can access all system settings without interruption. Next, locate the main display screen in the center of your dashboard. You will use either the touch screen or the physical buttons around it to navigate the menus. This initial step is crucial for a smooth process. Once you are at the main display, press the Home button or touch the Home icon to bring up the main menu. From there, you will need to find and select the Settings icon, which typically looks like a small gear. After entering the settings, search for a general category like System, General, or Setup. This section usually contains options for various vehicle functions, including language preferences. Take your time to locate the correct menu. Now that you are in the system settings, locate the language option. Selecting this will display a list of all available languages for your Honda Fit Shuttle's infotainment system. Carefully scroll through the options until you find the language you wish to use, for example, English, Japanese, or French. Once you have made your choice, confirm it by pressing OK or the equivalent confirmation button on the screen. The system should then update immediately. After confirming your language selection, the display should change almost instantly to your chosen setting. If for some reason the language does not update, try turning off your vehicle's ignition completely and then restarting it. This often resolves minor system glitches. For persistent issues, or if you cannot find the language option, always refer to your Honda Fit Shuttle's owner's manual. It provides detailed, model-specific instructions for all system adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.